ready to ditch the ordinary and create eye-catching designs. First, open your image in Photoshop and create a new document for your project. Now, select your desired shape tool from the toolbar, like the ellipse tool for a circle or rectangle tool for a square. Draw the shape on your canvas where you want the image to appear. Drag the layer containing your image above the shape layer in the Layers panel. This is super important. Right-click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Boom! The image is now perfectly confined within the shape. Use the Move tool to reposition and resize the image within the shape to get the perfect composition. Feel free to adjust the shape size and placement too. To move the shape and image together, select both layers by holding Ctrl or CMD and clicking each layer, then click the chain icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to link them. And that's it. You've successfully placed an image inside a shape in Photoshop. Experiment with different shapes and images to unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.